Having trouble with your Spectrum internet? Resetting your router is often the first step to fixing common issues like slow speeds or dropped connections. Spectrum offers two convenient ways to reset your router remotely: through the Spectrum mobile app and via a web browser. The app is designed for quick, easy resets, while the browser method offers more advanced control. Both methods achieve the same goal: to refresh your router's connection and resolve performance problems. We'll walk you through both processes step by step. Let's start with the Spectrum app method. Ensure you have the latest version downloaded and log in using your Spectrum account credentials. Navigate to the Internet or Equipment section, select your router, and choose Restart or Reset. You may see options for a soft reset, which is a reboot, or a hard reset, which is a factory restore. A soft reset is usually sufficient for minor issues. Confirm your choice, and the router will reboot, typically within 1 to 5 minutes. For the browser method, connect a device to your Spectrum Wi-Fi or directly to the router with an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, usually 192.168.1.1. Log in using your admin credentials, often admin for both username and password, unless you've changed them. Go to Advanced, System, Reset or Reboot and select your reset type. Apply the changes and wait for the process to complete. The browser interface will indicate when the router is back online.